We're at the Hinsdale Wave Research Lab on the campus of Oregon State University in Corvallis. Nearly 24,000 students here from 50 states and more than 80 countries on this beautiful 420-acre campus. Welcome to Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Ken Ackerman. Well, Oregon State University is the largest public university in Oregon as far as research is concerned. How do those hundreds of millions of dollars affect the university? Well, let's ask Oregon State University President Edward Ray. Thank you very much for joining us.
Good to be here.
$275 million. How does that impact a university?
Well, it has a number of profound impacts, and I want to point out that 275 represents a doubling in the last 10 years. Obviously, there are the research laboratories and faculty and staff who work in the labs associated with the research projects that they're undertaking, but research is an integral part of our graduate education as well. So many of our graduate students really cut their teeth in research in those research labs and on those projects. They go on to be the next generation of scientists and engineers. And one of the wonderful things about a research university is that undergraduates have the opportunity to work in research laboratories as well. And we've had a number of undergraduates who've actually published papers. One of the hardest things to get across to students in undergraduate programs is that there's so much out there to learn. We talk about lifelong learners, but anyone who's worked in a laboratory or on a research project and actually helped discover new things understands that for the rest of their lives. That's just a very powerful learning opportunity.
I want to mention something I read and have you tell us what exactly this means. Oregon State University is only one of two universities that have land, sea, space, and sun grants. What does that mean?
Well, it's really a designation from the federal government about your eligibility to do federally funded research projects. The other is a place you may have heard of, by the way, named Cornell.
Cornell.
And the designation means in the area of, some are obvious, land grant, agriculture, natural resources, forestry, extension. Sun grant is really more about renewable energy and energy alternatives. Sea grant is about ocean studies, near ocean, coastal research. Space grants involves the fact that we do a lot of research using satellites for Earth studies, but also in collaboration with NASA. So it really means that in the broadest sense, we've been certified by the federal government to work on each of those major areas of study.
You mentioned sea grants and the National Atmospheric Oceanic Administration. Did I have that backwards, by the way? I thought I did.
National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration.
It's my dyslexia coming through. With the marine, or now located at the Hatfield Marine Science Center, or soon to be, how is that going to impact?
NOAA made a decision, actually. You can imagine the politics surrounding it. After many years being located in the state of Washington, they determined that a better location would be at the site of the Hatfield Marine Science Center. We're very excited about that. I think most of the construction on the docks and the facilities are about done. They've been moving their scientists and staff in over the course of the last year. It will be up and running full scale this summer. They're bringing in about 125 researchers. That'll get us 500 researchers in that area. It will bring literally millions and millions of dollars to the Newport and other near coastal areas.
So
a tremendous boon for the community.
I was going to say, a profound effect on the economy as well as the university.
Absolutely.
President Ray, I hope you're a baseball fan, are you?
Oh, absolutely. Love it.
Can't live in Corvallis without being one.
The Beavers are pretty special.
Can I see your right hand, please? That is an unbelievable ring I noticed when you came in. Take a look at this. All right, another one this year?
I certainly hope so. I've got two. That'd be three.
That'd be three.
And you may notice on here it has the initials UP, which Pat Casey told me is university president. I told him it means utility player, but he doesn't want me on the team anyway. He doesn't want you in?
Put him in, Coach. Thank you for joining us on Comcast Newsmakers. Thank you for being here. Make it a great day, everyone.